Hello and welcome to Recipe Chapter. Today I'll show you how to make a luxurious creamy mushroom chicken skillet with just 5 ingredients. Let's start.
Need a cozy dinner that tastes gourmet but takes less than 30 minutes? This is your answer. List of all ingredients. Here are the 5 simple ingredients you'll need for this quick, creamy meal. Start with 500 grams of boneless chicken, cubed into chunks. Next, you'll need 200 grams of fresh mushrooms, thinly sliced. Prepare 3 cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced. 1 cup of heavy cream or cooking cream is what makes this dish so rich. And finally, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for searing and sautéing. Don't forget to have salt and black pepper ready for seasoning. Let's start cooking. Now heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your black cast iron skillet or V. Add your 500 grams of chicken chunks. Season the chicken generously with salt and black pepper. Sear until golden on both sides. This takes about 5 to 6 minutes. Once golden, remove all chicken pieces from the pan and set them aside. Add the remaining tablespoon of olive oil to the pan. Add your 200 grams of sliced mushroom. Sauté for 4 to 5 minutes until they are beautifully browned. Stir in the 3 cloves of minced garlic. Cook for 1 more minute until the garlic is fragrant. Reduce the heat now to low to prevent the cream from splitting. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir gently to combine the ingredients into a creamy sauce. Let the sauce simmer gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Return the cooked chicken back to the pan. Simmer everything together for 5 minutes. This allows the chicken to finish cooking and fully absorb the flavor. Taste and adjust the seasoning one last time. Garnish with fresh parsley. Creamy mushroom chicken is ready. Enjoy the rich, creamy flavor.